Taking few more sums which is related only to provision for doubtful debts. These are from different papers. Okay, come on. They've asked you to make which account?
PDD account.
What is the format that you will follow?
OCND.
OCND. Old provision on the.
Credit side and new provision on the debit side.
Come on, now read the question.
Yes. Susie maintains a provision for doubtful debts. 1st February 2002, there was a credit balance of 900 on the provision for doubtful debts account. At 31st January
Stop, stop,
2003,
stop, stop, stop. Read,
yeah,
analyze. Tell me where will this go?
this will be the old provision. So begin down.
Hmm.
900.
Okay, fine. Then,
At 31st January 2003, Susie's trade receivables owed $40,000 and she decided to maintain the PDD at 2% of the trade receivables.
okay, analyze.
Yeah. So the closing PDD, I mean the opening provision for doubtful debts, we can get by calculating the
This is opening or
percent.
closing? This is old or new
This is the new
provisions. New provisions will come where?
on the debit side.
So first I'll write the date and I'll keep.
Yeah, 2003 January 31st.
Then,
Then we'll do 2% of $40,000.
so provisions are created as a percentage of what?
NTR.
NTR. There is no new bad debts, right?
Yeah.
So you have balance closed down. How much is the new provisions?
New provisions are, yeah, 800.
Hmm. Then you do old minus new.
Yeah. So this is other income.
Hmm. Income statement,
So PDD debit, income statement credit.
PDD debit. So PDD debit, that means on the
Debit side, we'll write income statement.
how much?
100.
We close the account.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes.
Go ahead. Bring down the balance. Okay. Don't forget to bring down the balance.
Yeah.
Feb 1, 800. Come on, read. What do we have to make?
A PDD account.
Which format we follow?
OCND.
Hold on the.
Credit side, new on the debit side.
Okay, fine. Read.
On 1st May 2014, Samuel's provision for doubtful debt account showed a balance of 450.
Okay.
So this is the old provisions. We can record it
Which side?
on the credit side.
What will be right?
450.
Okay, then.
On 30th April 2015, his trade receivables amounted to 9750. Okay. This included a debt of $250, which had gone bad and should be written off. Samuel provides for doubtful debts at a rate of 4%. So we need to calculate the new provision by doing a percentage of NTR.
Hmm.
So 9750 minus 250 into 4%.
Hmm.
So 4% of 9,500.
So this is the new provision,
380.
April 30th. New
Yeah.
provisions on the debit side. So it is 9,750 minus 250 into 4%.
Yeah, which is 380.
Okay. 300 and
Yeah.
how much?
380.
Okay, fine. Then
Old minus new. So it will be PDD debit, income statement credit.
first give me na amount. Old is how much?
Old is 450,
New is
380
old minus new is
positive,
how much?
70
So
other income
income statement,
credit,
PDD.
PDD debit.
Okay.
Yeah, miss.
What you don't have to forget to bring down.
The balance, yeah.
What will I write date?
Uh, 2015 May 1, balance begin down, 380.
Done.
Yeah,
So this was the MS. Okay.
yeah.
Come on. You have to make two accounts. One is provision for bad debts account and one is bad debts account. Sometimes provision is also called reserve for bad debts.
Yeah, miss.
So don't get confused, okay?
Okay, miss.
Come on, read it.
Yeah, miss.
Hmm. Read.
Uh, Umtali sells goods on credit and his terms are for settlement within 30 days. At
Okay.
31st March 2010, the total of his trade receivables debtors were 12,600 and included the following. So on 10th January 2010, a customer named Viku amounted to 300, and on 31st Jan 2010, a customer named Mulanda amounted to 550. And at 31st March 2010, Umtali decided to write off the balances owed by Vico and Mulanda as bad
Oh,
debts.
yeah. Come on, tell me for this.
So the balances of Vico and Mulanda are bad debts.
Hmm. She wants to write this off as bad debts.
Yeah.
Journal entry for bad debts.
Bad debts debit, trade receivables credit.
So what is the name of the trade receivable?
Vico and Mulanda.
So I would say bad debts debit, Viku credit.
Yeah.
When is she deciding to write it off?
Last date, 31st March 20.
So I'll write 2010 March 31. Bad debts debit. That means on the debit of bad debts, I will write Viku.
Yeah.
How much?
300.
And
Mulanda, 550.
the first is the entry for bad debts. Then
Yeah.
you transfer bad debts to where?
Income statement.
So you will transfer bad debts to income statement. That means
Yeah.
whatever bad debts is over here, it has to go where?
Income statement.
So income statement will be
So,
debited
uh,
and bad debts would be credited.
yeah, miss.
Income statement would be debited and bad debts would be credited. So on the credit of bad debts, I will write income statement. What is the total bad debts?
It is 850.
Which date? Last date.
Last day. Miss, is there a possibility for balance begin down on bad
No.
debts account?
Expense
Okay.
and losses do not have balance. They are directly expense, loss, income, gain. They are directly transferred to the income statement.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Expense, losses, income, and gain are directly transferred to the income statement.
Okay, miss.
With bad debts.
What, miss?
Done with the bad debts now. Now read the
Yeah,
next.
yeah. Set up a provision for doubtful debts of 4% of the remaining balance of trade receivables. He had not previously made such a provision. So
You
we are
have
creating
not
a
previously made provisions. That means old provision is there or not there.
there is no old provision, so no balance begin down.
Okay, fine. No new provisions. Which date?
Uh, Last date,
What is the last date?
31 March 2010.
It's always created as a percentage of.
NTR.
Come on, not as NT.
So trade receivables are 12,600. Then we'll subtract 850, which gives us 11,750, and then we'll find 4% of it, which is
Much?
470.
11?
Uh, Wait, miss. It is 11,750,
Yeah.
and then we find 4% of it, which is 470.
And then,
And then we write the difference, old minus new,
so income statement debit, PDD,
PDD credit,
PDD credit. That means on the credit of this
PDD
PDD,
account.
we will write income statement with me.
Yeah, yeah, miss.
Then,
Miss, wait, miss. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. 470, 470. And then we'll bring down the balance.
how much?
470.
Date,
What, miss?
date,
2010 April 1st.
done.
Yeah,
So Umtali is done.
yeah.
Raja.
Okay, miss. Raja supplied
Raja.
the following. Raja